What's going on, guys? Welcome to country number 14 of Switzerland. I just flew in this morning. It's around 1:20 in the afternoon, and this is my 14th country, so I'm really excited to be here. Give you guys a quick room tour. So there's the door, got my jacket hanging up there, there's a mirror, desk, TV, there's a bed, and then there's the bathroom. So, pretty nice room here. I've got this room for the next 2 nights because I'll be here in Zurich for the next 2 nights. And this room for both nights was almost $300 US. So it's about $150 US per night, which is not cheap. And as you guys will soon find out, Switzerland is not a cheap country. It's actually quite expensive. And here's some of the currency. So they use the franc here, not the euro, because Switzerland is not part of the European Union. So they use the Swiss franc. And I got these at the airport. I exchanged $120 US when I arrived. Now I have already spent some, so there was a little bit more in this. And there's some coins there. Really colorful currency as well. I always like seeing that. But anyway, so I'm here in Zurich for the next 2 days, so we're gonna hit the streets and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to do today. I know tomorrow for sure I'm going to go to the Old Town because I have all day tomorrow to walk around and explore Zurich. Today is Sunday, December 10th, and a lot of the shops are closed, which makes sense given it's Sunday. So Swiss Army knives. I didn't even think about that. But yeah, I guess this is where Swiss Army knives would originate from. So like I said, I'm not gonna go to the Old Town today. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Right now I'm just wandering around Zurich, just seeing what I can see. I believe that building there is the Swiss National Museum. So I'm going to try and check that out sometime as well.
Yeah, a bit better. Yeah. And you see a lot of work on my side because I'm doing
So for those of you who don't know, Switzerland has 4 official languages, which are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. But German is the most common language that the majority of people speak. Look at this church here. This is a beautiful church. Alright guys, I'm editing the video now, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video here because I got a full day planned for tomorrow. I'm going to go check out some of the Zurich Christmas markets, and I'm going to go to the Zurich Old Town. So definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'll see you guys then.